What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to get the buzz cut filter on Instagram. For that, the process is very easy. Make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, open up your Play Store and go to the search icon. And in the search icon, search Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So once you know that your Instagram is up to date, all you have to do is to just go to open the application. You have opened the Instagram, what you have to do is to swipe to the left side to go and upload a story. So once you go and upload a story icon side, what you have to do is to swipe to the right side until you find the search icon right over here. So what you guys can do is to browse effects. So once you go to the browse effect option, you can see that you can even go to the appearances, you can even go to the aesthetics, the games, the humor, the special effects, and everything else. So go to the search icon, and in the search icon, go and search the buzz cut. So here you guys can see that you can get different sort of haircuts as a filter in the Instagram. So that way you can use it to get the buzz cut as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.